Hey guys, a video on quantum computing. Yeah, crazy pump here, 17%. I expected this, I think, because of how well IONQ performed today. It's breaking out here, kind of. I hope this can just continue and go to this box, okay? Good earnings, good projections, okay? Now, for quantum computing, even better earnings and better projections, in my opinion. Because, look, yesterday I noticed that we were gonna make this jump towards 3 million, coming from like 200,000, 300,000, 60,000, 40,000. Now this is Q1 last year. You went from 40,000 to 4 million almost. That's like, that's 9,000%, okay? Then I was wondering, like, where does this revenue come from? Is this like from selling their stock maybe? But then I noticed, okay, if they sell stock, it does not show in the revenue, because last quarter they made 700 million from the stock market, but this is just in the cash flow, not in the revenue statement. Then I just also looked here, no debt still, so that's good. And then I looked here at the projections, 5 million. You're gonna double this, okay? You're gonna go from 3 million to 5.3 million, not double it, but like, it's a 2 million jump once again. 5 million, compare it to the revenue of Q2 last year, you will go from 60,000 to 5 million. Will be again a massive jump. Made me think, like, is this where they are exiting the R&D state, and where they are actively really selling something, some product, some service? That's why I'm then here, seeing what AI can say. The short answer is yes. Moved past the pure R&D phase. So they're still also investing in R&D, as you can see here. Research and development, they spent 6 million. Operating expenses can also include R&D still, so they're also still developing, okay? And okay, this is already putting the update that we have here, 3 million in revenue coming from hardware products, services, and contracts from the government. Recent strategic growth, 2 major acquisitions, okay. So this is good, I think. This will scale, like it's saying here, okay. I'm really, like, this is really good in my opinion. Also looking at the cash here, net cash is okay. No, not this one. Wait, where on the balance sheet? Their assets, as I showed, asset compared to debt is like, there is no debt. Liabilities, look, it's like only 20 million. Assets 1.6 billion. Net cash 900 million. Total debt 4 million. That's why this is almost zero, okay, if you divide this by this. I think that's how the ratio was. Yep, debt to equity, not even to the net cash. You have to divide it to the with the equity. So this is good in my opinion, very, very good. Let's see. We're now hovering here around this point of control at 11.87 is the point of control. It would be nice if we can open above it and hold above it and just continue here, okay? Get to this box, man, just stand it. Of course, that's another 30%. Don't think we're gonna have a 50% jump in one day. That's why maybe this point of control is the most important thing for me. Go above it, close above it, hold the weekly and the dailies above it, okay? Hopefully the S&P allows another day like this, where it's just going sideways or like slightly to the upside, but not anything crazy, not dropping. With that, quantum computing might yeah, continue this pump. Okay, now IONQ had a massive day as well. 6% for quantum computing. IONQ did 15%, also breaking out here. Then I think we nailed this pretty good. From here onwards, we talked about this being the main third, multi 1 2s, 3, multi 4 5s. We did call for this correction, we got it, identified the 3-wave move, then got back here. I think we said also 1 2 3 4 5 potentially here in another 1 2, and now it's going. Local point of control, we wanted to get above it again to put pressure on this one, and yeah, it's happening. Okay, let's see. Hopefully it can stay like this when the market opens tomorrow and then continue. If you look at IONQ, the chart, yeah, here went down here as well. 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 4 5. Doing this correction, I said, yep, this might still do maybe something like this. No guarantee. 1 2 1 2 could be the case here, and now the third wave, or we could say maybe this is just a wave 1, wave 2, and we go like that. We are now clearly above this 1.236 FIB. To me then, impossible to label this as a wave B still, so gonna remove all of this, put this here, and then 1 2 1 2, maybe the double 1 2 is what you can go with, but yeah, doesn't really matter. I'm not gonna add the micro target fibs, I'm just gonna add micro support here. And then here is your strongest area at around $50 to $52, together with this previous little range here. At $53. Okay, so yeah, looking good again here, as you can see from this low 1 2 3 4 5. Maybe now slow down into these fibs and then just continue. I don't want to bother myself too much with the micro. 4-hour chart is going to be the more important one now. If this is going to break up 1 2 3 4 5 here, then wave 2 1 2, and now hopefully it goes. Okay, on quantum computing as well, 4-hourly is going to be the more important one. Clearly 1 2 3 4 5, wave 2 1 2, and now just go. Okay, let's look at Rigetti as well. They had numbers as well today. It's just hovering around 0, but 4 million projecting 5 million, so I think it's good. I think it's good. I'm hyped now. I'm really hyped, and hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.